Hello students. Today we are going to learn a poem Basket Full of Moonlight. The poet of the poem is Sunil Sharma. This is an English translation of a poem written in Dogri language. In the poem, a small child in a village wants his father to return early and safely from the city to tell him stories. So he requests the moon to give seeds of moonlight to sow them to lighten the dark route from the city to his village. Students, did you like to hear bedtime stories when you were a child? Yes, I'm sure that your answer is yes. You like to hear bedtime stories when you were a child. Okay, now who usually told you the stories? The answer can be mostly our grandmother or grandfather, or mother and father told you the stories. Now, students, let's see what is the boy in the poem is saying and why. The side question in the poem is, what does the poet wish to get from the moon and why? Let us see the answer. First, I will read the poem. The first stanza is, O moon, give me moonlight, basketful or two baskets full with seeds of moonlight. From the city to my village, on the sides of the path, I want to so many small, small moons of light. The whole village goes to the city daily to work. Now, in first two stanzas, we can find the answer that the poet wishes to get basketful or two baskets of moonlight from the moon so that he can sow the seeds of moonlight to light the dark path from the city to his village. पहा, कवितेतील मुलगा चंद्राकडून काय मिळवण्याची इच्छा करत आहे आणि का बरे? O moon, give me moonlight basketful or two baskets full with seeds of moonlight. हे चंद्रा, मला तुझे चंद्राचे चांदणे एक टोपली भरून किंवा दोन टोपल्या भरून चंद्रांच्या बियांसहित दे, असं हा मुलगा म्हणतो. का बरं हे चांदणे त्याला हवे असेल? त्याचे उत्तर आहे, फ्रॉम द सिटी टू माय विलेज ऑन द साइड्स ऑफ द पाथ. म्हणजेच अगदी शहरापासून निघणारा जो रस्ता या मुलाच्या गावापर्यंत पोहोचतो, त्या रस्त्याच्या दोन्ही बाजूला, त्या रस्त्यांच्या दोन्ही बाजूला पेरण्यासाठी त्याला हे चंद्राच्या चे चांदणे किंवा चंद्राच्या बिया हव्या आहेत. या बियांचं तू काय करणार आहे? आय वॉन्ट टू सो मेनी स्मॉल स्मॉल मून्स ऑफ लाईट. हे जे छोटे छोटे चंद्र आहेत ते मी रस्त्यांच्या दोन्ही बाजूंना पेरणार आहेत की जेणेकरून या छोट्या छोट्या चंद्रांमुळे रस्ता प्रकाशित होईल. The whole village goes to the city daily to work. या मुलाच्या संपूर्ण गावातील मोठी माणसे अर्थार्जनासाठी म्हणजे दररोजचे त्यांचे काम करण्यासाठी गावातून शहराकडे जातात. या लोकांसाठी त्याला हे चंद्राचे चांदणे हवे आहे. Why is the road from the city to the village dangerous? Let's see the answer in the next stanza. I'm going to read the next stanza. It becomes dark on its way back. As my village is quite far, the route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Neither bus nor cart plies. When my father returns home, I am asleep. Let us see the glossary. New words are scorpions, kind of spider with poisonous sting in its tail. म्हणजेच विंचू. Plies, travels regularly over a route. म्हणजे ये जा करतात. Loan, the act of borrowing. म्हणजे उसने घेणे. It becomes dark on its way back as my village is quite far. सकाळी जो रोज नोकरदार वर्ग कामासाठी शहराकडे जातो तो रात्रीच्या वेळेस परतताना मिट्ट काळोख होतो. कारण as my village is quite far, शहरापासून माझा गाव खूप दूर आहे. The route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. रस्ता हा खाच खळग्यांचा आणि विंचवा सापांनी भरलेला असतो. Neither bus nor cart flies. पण रात्रीच्या वेळेस कोणतीही बस किंवा कुठलीही गाडी या रस्त्यावरून धावत नाही. आणि अशा अनेक कारणांमुळे कवीच्या वडिलांना घरी परत यायला उशीर होतो. गावातील कर्मचारी वर्ग घरी परतायला उशीर होतो. When my father returns home, I am asleep. जेव्हा बाबा घरी परततात रात्री उशिरा तोवर मी गाढ झोपी गेलेला असतो असं कवी कवितेत म्हणतो. And he goes back early in the morning while I am sleeping. O moon, give me a basket full of moonlight on loan. In the case of the child, the speaker of the poem, he is always asleep by the time his father returns home from work. Then again, the father leaves early for work in the morning, while the child is still asleep. So, the child repeats his request for a basket full of moonlight on loan. अरे चंद्रा, माझे बाबा घरी उशिरा परततात तेव्हा मी गाढ झोपलेला असतो. भल्या सकाळी ते पुन्हा कामावर जातात तेव्हा पुन्हा मी गाढ झोपेत असतो. यामुळे माझी आणि त्यांची भेटच होत नाही. म्हणून कवितेतील मुलगा पुढे म्हणतो, अरे चंद्रा, तुझा टोपलीभर चंद्रप्रकाश मला उधार दे. Why does The poet wants his father home early. Let's see in the next stanza. I want to light the dark road so that my father returns early. I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. O moon, give me a basketful of moonlight. I want to sow seeds of moon on the sides of the path. The child wants to light the dark road to his village so that his father can return early in the evening. Like any other child, he too wants to hear fairy tales and stories from his father. कवितेतील मुलगा पुढे म्हणतो, अरे चंद्रा, तुझा टोपलीवर चंद्रप्रकाश मला उधार दे, म्हणजे गावाकडे येणारा रस्ता मी उजळून टाकीन आणि माझे बाबा घरी लवकर परत येऊ शकतील. कारण मलाही त्यांच्याकडून ऐकायच्या आहेत पऱ्यांच्या कथा आणि खूप साऱ्या गोष्टी. ओ मून, give me a basket full of moonlight. I want to sow seeds of moon on the sides of the path. The child again requests the moon to give a basket full of moonlight so that he can sow the seeds of moon on the sides of the path that leads to the village from the city. चंद्रा, तुझा टोपलीभर चंद्रप्रकाश मला दे, म्हणजे रस्त्याच्या दोन्ही बाजूंना मला प्रकाशाच्या बिया पेरायच्या आहेत. So, in this way, the poet requests to the moon Students, you know that appreciation of the poem is one of the poem based question in the board exam paper. Let us try to solve this question. Title: Basketful of Moonlight. Poet Sunil Sharma. Rhyme scheme: there is no rhyme scheme in the poem. This is a poem in free verse. Theme or central idea: the central idea of the poem is a child's desire to spend more time with his father. It is about a child's imagination where he thinks he can help his father and other villagers return home early by lighting their path back from work with the seeds of moonlight. The child admires the beauty of the moon and requests the moon to give him its moonlight. He wants the moonlight as every day the villagers, including his father, get led returning home due to the dark and dangerous path from the city to the village. By sowing the seeds of moonlight on the sides of the path, he feels his father will be able to return early before he goes to bed and spend more time with him. Figures of speech, alliteration, antithesis, hyperbole, and repetition. For example, I want to sow many small, small moons of light. Students, I hope you have understood the poem very well. Thank you.